Want to know how to delete your account in Dola AI? So if you want to get rid of your entire account, start a new account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application or the website itself. So we have also created a video on how to install and log into Dola AI, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile right here or your avatar, just simply select that. So now once you select the avatar, here you should be seeing settings. Just simply select settings. So now once you select the settings, you can just simply scroll all the way down and here you should be seeing your account. Just simply select account, and once you're on your account, here you should be seeing below personalization, delete account. Just simply select that. Now just simply select delete once again and all of your data should be deleted easily. And that's it, super simple and easy. So you need to double check and you need to log in once. So you can just simply log in from the account that you had created and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.